If you see here, 1 lakh if you invest, around 8 jobs we can create. Investment versus to jobs, tourism is the best sector. It is better than IT, industry, agriculture, even other service sectors also. This is the best. Globally, every 10 jobs, one is from tourism. We had an ambitious plan, 2.4 trillion US economy. We wanted to US dollars, we wanted to achieve by 2047. In this, we are expecting tourism to grow at the rate of 20% from now onwards. My minister also is having doubt if now Patanjali success story you have to hear. Now Baba Ramdevji is our advisor on tourism. If we start wellness centers and all hotels in Andhra Pradesh, wellness centers, especially yoga, naturopathy, Ayurveda, and also best meditation, if you practice natural food. We are very happy, Babaji, Guruji. We are number 1 in natural farming in the world. Already we are going for certification and also how to identify, that is identification also. Both we are doing. So I am assuring you, world is watching us. This is a new project is going on. With natural food and your yoga and meditation, that will be the game changer. All other prayers, we are all here. You will have a exciting timing. So many people have given Andhra Pradesh benefits also. So many places. Tirupati is one example. Richest god in the world. Now the Balaji is attracting every day. He is unable to bless people. That is no time for him. Round the clock, sometimes we are pushing him beyond also. That is where one of the best temple in Andhra Pradesh. Not only that, Sri Sailam is another best temple, very, very powerful, and also today it is doing very well. If you see, Andhra temples are the best temples. Around 21 temples are getting more than 10 crores every year income. Some temples hundreds of crores. So this is where I wanted to build tourism, temple tourism, spiritual tourism, wellness tourism. With all this experience, if you see in Andhra Pradesh, excellent valleys, beaches, ancient sites, majestic ports, a rich mix of spirituality, heritage, nature and coastline. 1,000 kilometers coastline. Excellent forest areas. Excellent ecological balance. Yesterday, Ramdev Guruji has travelled one day 3 places. He started 3 a.m. in Haridwar, came to Visakhapatnam, he visited Aruku Valley, and then from there he went to Rajamandri, Akanda Godavari we are creating now, beautiful place, and also Godavari, if you can see Papi Kondalu, one of the best place in India, and also Konasema, the best, I can say, better than Kerala. That is how excellent places are available. Even Arsali Hills, I am very happy. Even not now, long back British period, they started there, our hospitals also, that is a sanatorium in Madanapalli. You start, Guruji, we will provide all infrastructure there, I am assuring you, you made me one commitment to make Madanapalli best wellness center globally, #1. I am assuring you, we will create all infrastructure, excellent road infrastructure is available, water is available. I will create one small airport also there, so that that city will develop with wellness center and also with beautiful connectivity. And also our policy, as you are all aware, one of the best policy as on today. Our Joint Secretary has rightly mentioned, Government of India, you entrust us, you are kind enough to give some money. Money is not the issue here. We will create wealth. That is where I am asking you, bring experts, bring knowledge, bring people who can invest in Andhra Pradesh. It is a win-win situation. We will give you best policy. Everybody is thinking hotel means only rich people will invest. Thereby returns are not coming for them for short term. Only those who are having some other income, they are investing in hotels for long time, sustainability for asset building. That is where day one I thought this time, tourism will be included in industry status. So it is a game changer as on now. Long-term investment you can do it. You will get so many incentives. This is where 100% exemption on stamp and transfer duty, capital subsidies, 100% reimbursement of electricity for 5 years, GST reimbursement, and also so many things I have done. I am telling you only one thing. If anybody is doing plus what we have done, I will do double plus what others will do. Then I want to create competition continuously. We wanted to make India proud. Andhra Pradesh will be #1. We will produce proof of concept. I requested Ramdev Babaji, Guruji now. First we will produce a proof of concept. Andhra Pradesh is a model for tourism. Then we will promote India also. We are part of India. Our Honorable Prime Minister is working Vikasit Bharat 2047. We are working